In maths, working harder isn't always better. Especially in 11 plus questions, the best students aren't the ones who do the most steps, they're the ones who do the fewest. This question looks like it needs a long solution. But if you're a little bit lazy in the right way, you can solve it much faster.
What is the area of the shaded triangle contained within the rectangle? Most people would see this triangle and they would start solving the question by finding the base of the triangle and then the height. There's a much easier way to work out this question. So first of all, you need to work out the area of these three outside triangles that I have shaded in blue. Then we can take away that area from the total area of the rectangle. So now we just have to find the area of these three triangles on the outside. So we can start off by trying to fill in the missing lengths, and this will give us a clue on how to solve it. So we know that this length will be 8 take away 5, which is 3 centimeters. This length will be 7 centimeters, because 8 plus 7 is 15 centimeters. And this gives us enough information to work out the area of these three triangles. Let's start off with the smallest one. The way we find the area of a right-angled triangle is base times height divided by 2. Here, the base can be 7 centimeters and the height is 5. So this will equal to 35 centimeters. Divide that by 2 and that will give you 17.5 centimeters. Next, we can work out the area of this big one. 8 times 8 centimeters is 64. And then divide that by 2 is 32. So we know the area of the big one is 32 centimeters. And finally, let's do this one. 3 times 15 is 45. And if we divide that by 2, we get 22.5 centimeters. So the area of this is 22.5 centimeters. Now let's add all of these three values together. 17.5 plus 22.5. This is equal to 40. And 32 plus 40. This is equal to 72. So we know the total area of these three blue triangles is 72 centimeters. Now, all we have to do is subtract that from the total area of the rectangle. Now we do 120 take away 72. This is equal to 48. So our final answer is 48 centimeters.
This is why being a bit lazy in maths can actually be a good thing. Not careless, just efficient. In general, look for structure, shortcuts, and patterns before you start calculating. In exams, the fastest solution is usually the smartest one.